Hello everyone, I'm Rudransh and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Tangram. If you don't know what is Tangram, then watch my previous video in which I explained it thoroughly. Tangram, just in short, Tangram is a very fun game that you can play with yourself, your friends, family members, etc. So today I'm going to teach you how to make it so you can also enjoy this very fun game. Okay. So all you need is a scale, a pencil, scissors and any type of cardboard. I'm using a cereal box. Okay, so now I will take my scale and you can take any size you want for you and cut out a square. You can take any size you want, but I'm taking a big size of 15 centimeter. Okay, now I've drawn a great square of 15 centimeter. Now let's cut it out. This is how it will look after you've cut it out. Now we're going to make the Tangram pieces. There's 7 pieces to be exact. So let's start. Okay, did you pause? I meant don't pause, keep drawing. With the help of scale and pencil, I have created this diagram form of Tangram. So I'll tell you, we have to make 2 big triangles side by side. After that, we want to make 1 small triangle here. Then we have to make a tilted rectangle. Watch it carefully and then I'll explain it. Now, we have to make 2 big triangles side by side like I told you. 1 small triangle. 1 tilted rectangle. I hope you saw it perfectly because even the slightest mistake can ruin the Tangram pieces. Now, a medium sized triangle we also need, and we need another small piece and 1 diamond. Now, let's cut it out. Now I've cut out the pieces. These are the 2 big triangles. These are the 2 small triangles. And this is the medium one. This is our rectangle. And this is our diamond. Square diamond. Okay, now let's paint them. I'm painting these pieces purple, but you can paint it any color you like. So let me paint them now. Now I've painted them all. Yes, they are dry now. Now your beautiful Tangram pieces are ready. Please tell how you felt in the comments below. Tell me how it went when you made them. It will be a very fun activity if you made it with your parents or siblings. Yeah, it's very fun. So, I wish you will try this at home and enjoy this amazing game. When in my future videos, I'm going to share how to play with these pieces. So, keep watching.